Welcome to the D. Brooks School of Law Training Manual video. Today we're going to go through a couple of items. We're going to show you some examples of how Mr. Brooks handled things in court, and hopefully we'll be able to help you get off on whatever charges that you might also have against you. Now, before we get started, there is a disclaimer that I have to show you, and basically the what that means is that Mr. Brooks does not guarantee that these activities, these items, anything mentioned in the Darrell Brooks School of Law is going to get you off your charges, okay? What he does say is this is going to give you one heck of a chance.
First name is Michael, Michael. Last name is Smith, Smith.
Thank you. Go ahead, your witness.
Thank you. How are you employed?
With the Wisconsin State Patrol.
What's your job title?
I am a reconstructionist with the Technical Reconstruction Unit.
How long have you had that position?
I joined the TRU when it was originally formed in 2008. I've been doing full-time recon since 2002. We had a unit formed based on the need for a reconstructionist that did this type of crash investigation all the time. That's all we do. A normal trooper has traffic enforcement duties. We just have strictly crash recon duties. That's all we do.
56.
From your testimony, it seems like you've been doing crash reconstructions from quite some time. Is that fair to say?
Yes, sir.
You said normally you don't put the speed calculation in the diagram. Would it be any reason for that?
It's in the report. It's not necessary to put it in the diagram.
Have you ever done that before?
Could you rephrase the question?
Have you ever not included the speed analysis in any crash reconstructions that you've done before this one?
Are you referring to the diagram or are you referring to the report?
Referring to the diagrams.
No, I do not put speed calculation results in diagrams.
On any of them?
On any of them.
Did you create any diagram with the speed calculations present on it?
No, I don't. The diagram that I created is the one that was up on the screen.
And then from there you put the speed calculations just in the report?
Yeah, I normally just put them in the report, yes. I don't have any recollection of putting one in the diagram.
Would it be fair to say that it may be a little bit difficult to locate what you analyze for speed if it's not in the diagram?
No.
So if you wanted to know the calculation of the speed, you would have to read the report.
Correct.
Would it be fair to say that it might be easier to find if it was included in the diagram?
My diagram is included with my report, and that's all one unit, so it is in the report.
You made a reference to something called Newton's Law. Can you explain a little bit further what that is?
Newton's laws of motion are what we use as a big step in our reconstruction field. A lot of formulas are derived from Newton's laws, including the formula that we use to calculate the vehicle's average speed. Sir Isaac Newton obviously invented the laws of motion. We all learned that in high school, and that's part of the process that came to the formula that I use to calculate the average speed.
I always thought of Newton as gravity, so that was a bit of new information.
Make sure that you watch the next video when it comes up so you'll know how to defend yourself as a sovereign citizen, and you too can get out of prison.